Like the, this my bedroom is dark. My bedroom is dark. That's why I don't even do anything here. If I want to do something, I have to make sure that there's light. So hello guys, how are you all doing? This is a brand new year once again. Like this January, we are going to just be doing new year stuff. Yes, like this vlog is going to be just like new year reset. Yes, we've been washing, my husband have been washing, I also washed some clothes, and right now the whole place is jam-packed. Like this space is really not enough for us again. God, please enlarge our freaking space, enlarge our coast. So those are clean clothes, those are clean clothes. And see, no space in the wardrobe again. See, all these clothes are clean. Right now I just need to fold all of them. Then my laundry basket is here. I just want to start cleaning. Like I want to fold my clothes into this bag, then the bigger bag I'll fold my children's clothes there. Then I want to empty this particular space down here. This is my space. I was organizing it earlier, but let me on the light. I think it's a bit clearer now. Yes, this space is my special place. I went to my sister's place for New Year, so any clothes that my husband wash, he just drop them. That's how this place is filled up now. So what I want to do is to clear it up and use it for my closet. Yes, I have been procrastinating for a long time. Yeah, and it's not good. So I'm going to clean this up. Yes, I'm bending down. I'm going to clean the space up, and then I'll now organize it for my prayer closet. I have tried it a few times and I felt it's cozy and the space is enough. I'll manage it until we get there. We don't have to be where we want to be before we do what we want to do. Yes, it's necessary for you to have a quiet place that you are comfortable to just pray and do your thing with God. So I know that I would have loved for a better place, but this is the best corner that can fit this in the house. So I'm going to clear all these things there, make space, and put my Thanksgiving jar, my vision board and everything. You are going to see it when I finish. So let's get cleaning, guys.
I'm getting sick and I'm tired of living life this way. Lord, without you here with me, all I seem to do is make mistakes. I'm asking, is there a limit to your mercy? 'Cause I wanna know. I wanna go back to the days where for you I was thirsty. Okay now, Lord, I apologize. Again, I crucified you. I try to fight it, but it's clear I need you to survive. So many times I tried with my own devices, but you told me everything I need you have provided. Blind to your love, was deaf to your call. I come before your throne of grace and I surrender all. 'Cause when I fall, you're there to catch me. So if they ask me, I'll say that your grace is all I need. Oh Lord, you can see the best in me. It's why I call you out.
So this is the first bag, is filled up with my clothes. The clothes I know that I will be using frequently. Then the ones I know that I won't be using often. All my native, they are here for now. And look at, I still have a lot of clothes left on the ground. So the space that I made in the wardrobe, I've kept some of my husband's stuff there. So I'm still going to put maybe my children native up here. That's what I'm going to do. Then Let's see. I'm done with my own folding. Next up is the children's own. So guys, yeah, that is it. I thought it was going to be just few minutes work, but now it's over how many hours, and I'm still here turning round till night to 4. They just brought the light, so the room is a bit brighter. Yes, let's see how it goes. Henry, come this way. Come this way. Leave it and come this way. Cameraman, my future cameraman, come.
That's why I call you Yahweh. When I'm walking through the valley, let me feel you next to me. And that's my prayer, oh, and that's my prayer. You know my thoughts, you know my heart, you know my prayer, Lord. You know my prayer, Lord. You know my thoughts, you know my heart, you know my prayer, Lord. You know my prayer, Lord. So I pray that your spirit fill me every day I'm breathing. Let your mercy shield me from all evil, cause it was you who found me. So when you just ground me, build a tower around me, goodness and favor around me, beg you never allow me, never move on without me. If you move on without me, waters of death will drown me. Sometimes it gets so rowdy, my sunny days get cloudy, but with you I overcome. And I'll say that your grace is all I need.